One small step for man, one giant step for shoes with an inner sock booty that have Huarache based technology. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Sole Post, and this is another Sole Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike Air Huarache Moon Landing. Now, the Nike Air Huarache Moon Landing is part of a 2-shoe pack alongside the Air Force One. Also, we had a Big Bang related colorway of the Air Huarache that was accompanied by the Nike Vandal Supreme. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the red and white Nike sportswear box, and the color code is Moon Particle and Neutral Indigo. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a variety of materials for the upper. You have suede detailing as well as mesh and some neoprene and some plastic as well. You have the light brown suede toe box with the same color on the toe cap. Moving towards the tongue, you have a neoprene tongue with a red stripe going up it. And you have the light brown laces as well. And the tongue tag is red with the Huarache logo in blue. The insole has star graphics along with a graphic of the man on the moon, as well as the Nike flag parodying the USA flag from the original moon landing in 1969. Moving towards the heel, you have the star-based graphic on the inner sock booty, as well as the plastic spoiler that wraps around from the lateral to the medial. You have the spoiler and it's navy, as well as the Nike logo, which is embossed on the spoiler. Also, you have the neoprene sock booty with the star-based graphic peeking out from below it, and you have the light brown detailing on the back tab. The medial is similar to the lateral, so you have the Huarache spoiler, as well as the neoprene sock booty peeking out, and you have the light brown detailing around the shoe. You have the Huarache midsole, and this is white, and you have a navy outsole. Like I said in the Huarache Big Bang review, if you're gonna make a star or space-based shoe, you gotta have some form of glow-in-the-dark detail somewhere. I just feel like it's right, but that might just be me nitpicking. Overall, I think I like this colorway a little bit better than the Air Huarache Galaxy or Big Bang colorway, the Prince colorway. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
They say into your early life, romance came, and it came, and it came, and it came, and it came. And it came, 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 and it
Huarache Moon Landing is now available at select Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $120. Alright everyone, this has been another Sole Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Sole Post channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Sole Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.